Ensure your Wi-Fi is reaching its full potential with this TP-Link Powerline adapter kit. With Plug and Play, you can simply press the Wi-Fi clone button, plug the adapter kit in, and keep the whole house happy with an instantly improved wireless service to every device. Extend your Wi-Fi coverage by up to 300 meters around your home. The whole family can now browse on a stable and lag-free connection that's perfect for online gaming and video streaming. Add additional adapters by using the pair button to extend your Wi-Fi even further, allowing you to get the best possible coverage throughout your home at all times. With a straightforward setup, you can connect phones, laptops, games consoles and televisions in no time at all and benefit from a reliable internet connection with this Powerline adapter kit from TP-Link.